Oh, hey guys, I'm tired of the series now. I want to change the topic, change the subject. I may go back to it at some other point, but right now I want to talk about something else. And I decided to take the hat off so that you can tell the difference between the two videos. Guys, I want to talk about basking in your own success, ne? And not being ashamed to celebrate your wins. I find that a lot of people are struggling with, enjoying, the fruits of their labor. You understand? Being shy, to enjoy your own success. Guys, we work hard to achieve, to overcome challenges. You understand? No one, I don't know any living person that can go through life without facing challenges. We all face challenges at one point or another, and it is hard work to overcome those challenges. We live in a world where it is survival of the fittest. So when you do succeed in something you have been working on, you understand, what is wrong with celebrating? So yeah, depend. What is wrong with celebrating your success? You understand? For me, I look at successful people, like really successful people, immensely successful people, and how they just never go back to poverty. You understand? It is ongoing. Your Oprah Winfrey's, for example, um, um, you know, um, your Connie Ferguson's, your Somiz's, you understand? It's not that they don't face challenges, you understand? Even in the midst of their successful lives, they still go through hurdles. You understand? But instead of moving backwards, they move forward. I think the trick is in basking in your success. You understand? Being grateful and not shy to celebrate your successes, your small wins, no matter how small. If it's a win, it is a win. You understand? Thank Mother Universe. The universe wants to see that you see ukuthi, the universe is actually converging to help you succeed. You're not on your own. You are not on your own. You are with your spiritual guides. You understand, who alert you from time to time, which way to move. You get me? Who give you a sixth sense, when you make your decisions. You understand? So when you celebrate, it's almost like you're celebrating with them. But when you are shy to celebrate, it's almost as if you don't appreciate the energies, you understand, that are with you. You understand, to push you forward. It's like if ndingathengela ukhwezi imoto, you understand, let's say uThamela, when she passes her matric, maybe when she goes to varsity, I'm like, okay mntanam, wow, you did very well, nansi imoto, I bought you a car. And then uThamela will be like, no, she's shy to take the car to school, because other kids don't have a car, no, I'd rather take taxis because people will think this or that. You get me? As a parent, buying a car that will sit in the garage, I would want to do something else with it. Maybe give it to another sibling. You understand? Because it's almost as if you are not grateful. I think the same thing. Remember, Mother Universe is our parent, the way I see it. If you believe in God, Mother Universe is your God. Ngumzali, ngumdali wezulu nomhlaba. Uyayiva? Xa ekupha ithi enkosi, uvakala uba uthi enkosi. If you say enkosi through throwing a party or a brainyana nje, so be it. But make sure you do say enkosi, and it must be loud and clear that you are saying enkosi, so that these blessings keep coming, because ziyabona ukuthi okay siyadingeka la, we are needed here. You get me? It shouldn't be a matter of, you know, and I don't want to jinx my success. Jinx it my foot. You can't live in fear. You can't live your life with the fear of people. People must not discover ukuthi you are happy. Come on, people. You know, now I can't. When I'm happy, I'm happy. When I'm sad, I'm sad. But when I'm happy, I am happy. And when I'm celebrating, it's not about you. It's not like Kaisela wena. I'm just celebrating. Andizongonwabi ndivuyele uphumelela ngenxa into bakaloku ndoyikuba wena uzawuthi ndiyaqhayisela. Let me leave it there. I just wanted to remind you guys, if we don't celebrate, it's almost like you know, we are not happy with what we have. Or ngathi sithi mayibuyele emva man, zizawuthathwa ii-blessings xa ungabuleli. Bulela enkosi. Bye. Continue subscribing, liking, sharing, guys. It's what helps us grow. You get me? And when I grow, the algorithm nayo favors me. And also, guys, I forgot, apparently now I qualify for, what is it called? A thanks. There's a thanks something badge on somewhere. When you comment, you can choose to pay me money, you know, to thank me for my content. So look for that button somewhere. There's a thank you something. Look for it and let me know if it works, guys. Yeah, it would be nice to be thanked. Ever? Thank you very much. Till the next one. Bye.